Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this video we try to see lecture 3, which are artificial intelligence. If you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. On the previous 2 videos we have seen what is the basic concept of intelligence and also the component of intelligence in artificial intelligence. Let's define artificial intelligence or AI. As John McCarthy defines, AI or artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer program. We call it AI. AI means the output of science and engineering which makes intelligent machine as well as special intelligent computer program. We call it AI or artificial intelligence as a person who John McCarthy defined AI. In other words, AI is a way of making of a computer controlled robot, or a software think intelligently. In the similar manner, the intelligent human thinks. Just develop or make a computer controlled robot and software that similar manner the intelligent human thinking, right? AI is accomplished by studying how human brain think, how human learn and decide, work while trying to solve a problem, then using the outcome of this study as a base of developing intelligent software and system. Generally, AI is accomplished or implemented by studying how human brain is think, how human learn, decide and solve a problem, right? Human versus intelligent machine. Human perceive or understand by a pattern. What about intelligent machine? Intelligent machine perceive or understand by a set of rules and data instead of pattern. Human store and recall information by a pattern, right? In order to store, in order to remember any information or data by a pattern. On the other hand, intelligent machine store and recall information by searching algorithm. For instance, artificial intelligence is a huge concept. Under artificial intelligence there is a machine learning. Under machine learning there is a deep learning. On those 3 areas there are a lot of algorithms that develop for different purposes and tasks. So this intelligent machine store the data from the database and recall or retrieve that information based on those searching algorithm. Who is that? It may be machine learning algorithm or it may be deep learning algorithm. For example, the number 40404040 is easy to remember, store and recall as it's a pattern is so simple, right? Because this is a digit and we can remember and recall simply by a pattern. Human can figure out or solve a complete object even if some part of it is missing or distorted. In order to complete the object, there is something is missed or distorted. For human it's so simple, whereas the intelligent machine cannot do it correctly. This is another difference between human versus machine intelligence. Are the things shown below intelligent? In order to say the machine, the object or the agent to be intelligent, that must be react, calculate, reason, learn, update, adapt environment and understand the more complicated problem as well as abstract idea, right? So as you have seen on here, there is a human being, AI or artificial intelligence that is designed based on human brain, right? Based on human brain. Think, solve, act and decide seems like for human brain. So this human is intelligent, so we can say intelligent, right? There is a desktop computer, I don't know its specific name, there is another object and there is a table, tree, light bulb and there is a church. All are those not intelligence because they cannot learn, adapt and react, right? The other thing, there is an animal which are the cat. This cat, sometimes it considered as intelligent, and sometimes we cannot say it's intelligent, right? Why we say intelligent? It can learn and also it can solve its own problem, but it cannot solve the more complicated problem. For instance, if you have a project, it cannot solve that project by this cat, right? So it is confused to categorize intelligent and not intelligent, right? So you can search by yourself more about animals like cat, dog, and any other ones. Is it intelligent or it's not intelligent? There is a mic. This mic wants to go on this object, so there are many paths. This mic may use different paths, or different mics may use different paths in order to reach on this object. As you have seen on here, there are two simple paths. The first one, which are the red one, is so long, and the second one, which are the blue line, is so short. So selecting the best solution in order to reach this object, it requires an intelligent, right? We say intelligent. So different mic might follow different paths based on their intelligence. In other words, the problem can be solved in many ways. The ability to solve the problem demonstrates intelligence. The other example, next number in sequence. Consider the following sequence: 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, and 2, 1. So what is the next number based on these patterns, right? To determine the next sequence number, just add next even numbers. For instance, there is a 1 plus the next even number for 1, which are 2, 1 plus 2, which are 3, and the next number of even after 2, which are 4, so 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 plus the next even number of 4, which are 6, so 7 plus 6, which are 1, 3, and 1, 3 plus the next even number of 6, which are 8, so 1, 3 plus 8 is equals to 21, and 21 plus the next even number of 8, which are 10, so 21 plus 10, which are 31. So the next sequence number of 21, which are 31. To sum up, the ability to solve the problem, the ability to think, plan, and schedule, to memorize and process information, answer fuzzy questions, learn and recognize, and understand and perceive. A machine search through a machine and find a path. A machine solve problem like next number in the sequence on the previous example, as we have seen. A machine develop a plan. A machine diagnoses, especially in health case or in any health center, and prescribe. A machine answer ambiguous question or the more complicated question. A machine recognize fingerprint, understand, perceive, many more such things as humans do or hominid. We call it artificial intelligence. This is the basic concept of artificial intelligence. Hopefully you'll understand. If it is not clear, just pause, take a note, and repeat the video again and again. If you are new to our channel, don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.